Chemistry, drawing these 3D orbitals, is one of the subtopics in Chapter 2 in the first semester. So drawing this orbital is one of the popular questions that will come up in the final exam. This is the orbitals that's taken from the chemistry notes, which is shown in 3-dimensional. But if you look at the diagrams over here, you can see it's look flat and in 2-dimensional. So the chemistry lecturer is having some difficulties to explain the abstract concept to the students. So as a chemistry lecturer, what should we do? In order to identify the actual problems, data was collected through interviews and topical quiz. So based on the data collected, we have identified that an intervention is needed to overcome these problems and the difficulty faced by the students. So these mobile apps and the 3D AR orbitals was developed using Unity, and the functions was programmed using C#. This app is then uploaded into Google Play Store and is free to download. The objective of this study is to facilitate students' imaginations to visualize 3D orbitals. So secondly is to assist students to understanding these 3D orbitals. And lastly, to ensure students are able to draw these 3D orbitals accurately. Why are we choosing AR? In line with the Revolution Industrial 5.0 and 21st century teaching and learning, the use of AR in classroom is mind-blowing, and it could enable students to explore various ways to learn a subject. According to our research in the App Store and Google Play Store, there is no AR applications available for these 3D orbitals. This AR app is registered under My IPO. The following showing the first versions of our innovations, which is known as the molecular shape 3D. So after this AR apps is introduced to the students, a pre and post test was taken. By comparing the results between pre and post test, so based on the following graph, you can see that the orange color bar represent the pre-test result and the pink color bar represent the post-test result. So you can see a very great differences, which shows a very significant improvement after applying these AR apps. Here is the feedbacks collected from the students based on this AR apps versions 1.0. First of all, it doesn't contain any QR code in the apps. Secondly, the names of the apps does not match with the content. Number 3, there is no user manual provided in the apps. And lastly, there is no specific colors for the axis. So in this AR versions 2.0, we have includes the user manuals, and in this user manuals also we have includes the QR codes. So in the pictures over here, we can see that in this AR apps versions 2.0, there's different colors for the axis. We have blue, green, and gray color. So in comparisons with the conventional way of teaching, the use of these AR applications increase the efficiency in delivering the content knowledge, as it shortens the times for the students to understand the same topics. On the other hand, in terms of the cost, this AR apps is free and you can download it from the Google Play Store. Whereas for the real 3D orbitals is very expensive, as you can see in the price shown here. These AR applications we have shared and presented in the international level for 2 different conferences. At the national level, we have won a Gold Award at iCompact 2022, and the first prize, which is the Platinum Award in Compete 2 2022. And recently, we have also won the second Best Overall Project Awards in PTRUM 2023.